in our matrix. So here matrix is represented by any capital alphabet. For example, capital A. Capital A equal to matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here it is the rectangular arrangement of these real numbers. So this is known as matrix. In this matrix, these elements 1 2 3 and elements 4 5 6 are called row 1 of matrix and row 2 of matrix. In short, this matrix A has two rows, row 1, row 2. Row 1 is 1 2 3, row 2 is 4 5 6. Same way, matrix has three columns. Column 1, this is column 2, and this is column 3. Column 1, column 2 and column 3. So matrix A has two rows and three columns. So what is row? The horizontal arrangement of element is known as row of matrix, and vertical arrangement of element is known as column of matrix. Clear? So in this matrix we can say that number of rows in this matrix 2. Number of columns in this matrix are 3. So this matrix has total number of elements. M cross n 2 by 3 equal to 6. Where generally represents number of rows by m and number of columns by n. So total number of elements in matrix A are 6, where m represents number of rows and n represents number of column. So combinedly, this m by n is known as order of matrix. So matrix A is the order of 2 by 3. So that order is represented at this place. Matrix A of order 2 by 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. Clear? So if any matrix having m by n order, having total number of mn number of elements. For example, suppose matrix B having elements 4 5 6 7. So here order of matrix is number of rows are 2, number of columns are 2. So total number of elements are 2 into 2, 4 elements are there. This is known as order of matrix. Now where this matrix used? The matrix is normally used in system of linear equation. To solve the system of linear equation, the matrix is used. For example, let us now consider pair of linear equation. Suppose 2x plus 3y equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y equal to 6. This is the linear equation, pair of linear equation. For the solution of this type of linear equation, normally matrix is used. Done. Matrix is also used to represent some geometrical figures. For example, let us now consider one square. This is square A, B, C, D. Square ABCD is there, and its vertices are suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is not the square, I think it's a quadrilateral. Let us now consider this is quadrilateral, and these coordinates of its vertices are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are respectively. So we can also represent this geometrical figure by using matrix. Suppose matrix X is there, so we need to write these coordinates of each of these point. Suppose vertex A is 1 2, B is 3 4, C is 5 6, and D is 7 8. So here row 1 represents x coordinate of each of the point, and row 2 represents the y coordinate of each of the elements, each of the coordinates. So this is the metric representation of any quadrilateral. It can also be represented in this way. Matrix X represents this quadrilateral ABCD. So we can write this coordinate A as a 1 2, B as a 3 4, C as a 5 6, and D as a 7 8. So here we have considered column 1 as a x coordinate of each of the point, and column 2 as a y coordinate of each of this point. Done. This is matrix representation of any quadrilateral or any geometrical figure.